Yesterday, those.
Good morning, sir.
Okay. Thank you. I am saying all of you good morning, but again and again cannot repeat. Good morning. Good morning.
Sir, your voice is coming low.
No, sir, clear.
आप ही लोग बोलेंगे कि हमें भी बोलने देंगे, कुछ मौका देंगे? अगर सुनिए, जो काम मैंने कल दिया था आप लोगों को करने को, सब लोगों ने कर लिया?
Yes, sir.
उसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम है आप लोगों को? कोई दिक्कत?
No, sir.
कोई दिक्कत नहीं? बोलिए जल्दी, हरी अप, हरी अप, प्लीज टेल मी। बेटे बोलो, नहीं बोलना। So can I start the new chapter? Ananya Singh.
New chapter.
Ananya Singh. Ananya, can you listen?
Yes, sir.
अनन्या
Sir,
बेटे,
new chapter.
अनन्या ये
बहुत
जो कल हमने वर्क दिया था, miscellaneous questions, some miscellaneous questions 1 to 8, you have done it? You have done it? Okay. इसमें कोई दिक्कत?
Yes, sir.
किसी में कोई problem? No. So now we start the new chapter, chapter 11, perimeter and area. And this is the chapter related for the mensuration. So now today we start chapter perimeter, perimeter and area. Area, chapter 11 and page number 205. Page number 205. Chapter 11. Chapter 11.
Sir, half yearly में कितना आएगा?
हाफ ईयरली का दिक्कत क्या है? जितना
सर हाफ ईयरली होगा तो नवंबर।
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल बिल्कुल। ओके,
Good morning, sir.
the first definition. Now look at your book. The first paragraph. Perimeter is the distance around the closed figure. Perimeter is the distance around the closed figure.
Sir,
And
सबको
those
mute
figures,
कर.
the figure are closed with a line segment. They are called polygons. Those figure. I mute all of you. Hello. Those figure, they are closed with a line segment. They are polygons. And curved figure are closed. They are called circle. Already you know these figures. So now the first figure, the first polygon is a triangle. Now look at here. This is the first figure, is a triangle. And now we write the name ABC. ABC. This is the triangle. And here it is written, perimeter is the distance around the closed figure. That means the distance around the figure are called perimeter. That means in polygon, the sum of all the sides are called perimeter of the triangle. So my first formula, you write the first formula, perimeter of a triangle equal sum of all the sides. Sum of all the sides. That means AB plus BC plus AC. Okay? Okay? Hello? Hello?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
In this chapter, first you write the formulas. These are the formula we have written here, and you have learned because we starting the questions or exercise. These are apply on questions. ये सभी हम अप्लाई करेंगे क्वेश्चन. तो फर्स्ट वी राइट द फॉर्मूलाज ऑफ दिस चैप्टर. इस चैप्टर के सारे फॉर्मूला लिखेंगे. तो पॉलीगन का जो सबसे फर्स्ट जो फिगर स्टार्ट होता है वो होता है ट्राइंगल का. तो दिस इज द ट्राइंगल. अब नाउ वी फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल. कोई बता सकता है एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल क्या होता
अरे
है? एरिया.
Sir,
अच्छा एक चीज और है.
length into breadth.
ओके
Length into breadth. Length into breadth.
ओके ओके ओके. इन दिस चैप्टर.
Length into breadth.
अरे yes, stop it, stop it.
भाई गुड
In this chapter, the important part, you have write the units. That means the perimeter of the triangle is his unit is as a unit. That means जिसमें unit होगी वही चीज. अगर सेंटीमीटर में unit, right here unit,
और चिकनाड़ी मत
unit.
सारे
Okay. Area of triangle. We draw the perpendicular, the vertex A. We draw the perpendicular, and that is called the height of the triangle. Height of the triangle. Height always find perpendicularly. That therefore we write the base BC. We write here B. B for base. That means area of triangle is 1 by 2 base into height, and unit always comes a square unit. A square unit. My second formula, area of triangle is 1 by 2 base into height. Now, my second figure, and it comes, it is rectangle. Now, first we write the rectangle or a parallelogram. So, first we write the parallelogram. This is my parallelogram. A, B, C, D. And this parallelogram, this is a quadrilateral. Those polygon having four sides, they are called quadrilateral. And the types of quadrilateral, the first type is parallelogram. And the parallelogram, opposite sides are parallel to each other. They are called parallel. And opposite sides are parallel. Then this side and this side are equal. Both are equal and parallel. They are called parallelogram. Now we find the perimeter of parallelogram. So my third formula, perimeter of a parallelogram is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. 2 into length plus breadth. This is my length and this is my breadth. Because the opposite sides are parallel and equal, therefore we write the perimeter of parallelogram 2 into length plus breadth, and unit always comes as a unit. ये unit में ही रहेगी. And area of my fourth formula, area of a parallelogram is equal to base into height. We draw a height, and that is perpendicular, and this is my height. Therefore, area of parallelogram is equal to base into height, and unit always is square unit. That means area always comes as square unit. Okay. Now, my third formula is rectangle. Here is rectangle. रेक्टेंगल की डेफिनेशन आप लोग सभी लोग जानते हैं, CD. Rectangle is also a parallelogram because the opposite sides are parallel to each other. But this parallelogram, the adjacent angle makes a right angle. Therefore, therefore it is a rectangle. रेक्टेंगल के जो एडजेसेंट साइड्स है वो राइट एंगल होते हैं, जबकि पैरेललोग्राम में ऐसा नहीं होता है, इसीलिए इसे पैरेललोग्राम, ऐसे पैरेललोग्राम को रेक्टेंगल बोला जाता है. ऑपोजिट साइड्स आर पैरेलल एंड इक्वल. Therefore, my fifth formula is perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus breadth, and unit always as a unit. And sixth, area of area of area of a rectangle is equal to length into breadth, and unit always comes as square unit. If it is centimeter, so you write centimeter square. If it is meter, you write meter square. Okay. Now my 1, 2, 3, fourth figure is square. Here square, and the definition of the square is those polygon whose all the side, that means those quadrilateral whose all the sides are equal, and the adjacent angle makes a right angle, and the diagonal bisect at right angle, they are called square. That means this side equal to this side and this side equal to this side. So we write the perimeter of a square. Seventh, perimeter of perimeter of a square is equal to 4 into side, because all the sides are equal. 4 into side, and unit always comes as unit. जो भी यूनिट होगी वही केवल आएगी. अगर सेंटीमीटर में है तो सेंटीमीटर में आप ओनली लिखे हुए सेंटीमीटर. If it is meter, you write meter. It is kilometer, you write kilometer. And now my eighth formula, area of square equals side square. That means side into side, and unit always comes as a square unit. That means the area of the unit always be in a square. Okay. Hello. Hello.
Sir, please type.
Yes, sir. Sir, please write.
Okay. Okay. Write down. Write down. Write down. कौन ये शोर मचाता है? ये कौन ये बच्चा है? हैं? हेलो. अच्छा,
Yes, sir.
अब इसके बाद कौन सा क्वाड्रिलेटरल होता है स्क्वायर के बाद? कोई बता सकता है? मैं ऊपर का ये मिटा रहे हैं. हाँ बताइए. प्लीज टेल मी.
Heptagram.
हेक्टोग्राम. क्या बोल रहे हो? रोम्बस का नाम सुने
Sir,
हो?
polygon.
Yes, sir.
रोम्बस का नाम सुने हो? रोम्बस.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Rhombus.
Sir.
तो रोम्बस हम बनाते हैं. व्हाट इज द डेफिनेशन ऑफ द रोम्बस? रोम्बस की डेफिनेशन बता दो. बता सकते हो? हेलो. व्हाट इज द
A quadrilateral whose two sides are parallel. A quadrilateral whose two sides are parallel.
अरे all the sides, opposite sides are parallel, and all the sides are equal, and the adjacent angle not makes a right angle. They are called rhombus. ये कौन दिक्कत कर रहा है? हेलो.
Yes,
Who
sir.
making?
Yes, sir.
What is the noise? All of you have mute your voice. सभी लोग अपने म्यूट करो. Nafis Ansari. Nafis, mute your mic. म्यूट करिए. अनुभव खरवार. अनुभव. Nafis Ansari.
Yes, sir.
म्यूट योर वॉइस. म्यूट कर लिए. सभी लोग म्यूट करो. नफीस. नफीस, मेरी आवाज पहुंच रही है आपके पास? नफीस, कैन यू लिसन माय वॉइस? नहीं मान रहा है. नफीस. नफीस, म्यूट योर माइक. चलिए. नाउ द नेक्स्ट फिगर इज rhombus. A, B, C, D, and all the sides are equal. This is the symbol. ए भाई ये तो now rhombus. In rhombus, all the sides are equal and opposite sides are parallel, but the adjacent angle not makes a right angle. They are called rhombus. So now ninth, this is rhombus. The perimeter of rhombus 8 ninth. Perimeter of a rhombus is equal to 4 into side, and unit always comes as unit. And now 10th, area of a rhombus, area of rhombus, if you draw a perpendicular, and this is comes as a height, and this is base, so we write base for B, base into height, base into height, and unit always comes square unit. Okay. Now my fourth figure, next figure, not a fourth figure, trapezium. Trapezium, trapezium, opposite sides are parallel and other opposite sides are non-parallel. They are called trapezium. T. The pair of one opposite sides are parallel and other pair are non-parallel. They are called trapeze. Now we draw a perpendicular, and this is called the height of the trapezium. If you draw a perpendicular, this is the height of the trapezium. Height. Perpendicular ही draw करने पर height भी आती है. So first we write the perimeter of the trapeze, and this is the 11th formula. Perimeter of trapeze, यहाँ लिख देते हैं यहाँ trapezium. The perimeter of a trapezium is equal to sum of all the sides. Sum of all the sides. And 12th, area of a trapezium is equal to 1 by 2 sum of the parallel side, sum of the parallel side. Here the parallel side are AB plus CD into sum of parallel, and this is the symbol of parallel. ये parallel का symbol है, sum of parallel sides into height, and unit always be square unit. 1 by 2 sum of parallel side into height, height h for height, and unit always comes square unit. And sum of the parallel side, here is my parallel side is AB plus CD. Okay, now next, my next is circle. Now my next figure is circle. Here this is my circle, and that is the center of the circle O, and if you join any point on the circle, that means this is point A, therefore this is the radius of the circle. It is the radius of the circle, that is the radius, and we show radius for small r. And if the 2 points take 2 points on the circle, if you passes through the center of the circle, they are called diameter. If this line, if you produce, and that is called diameter of the circle, and diameter we write d, d for diameter, d for diameter. Now the first we write perimeter of the circle. The perimeter of the circle we write, perimeter is equal to its circumference of the circle. So now my next formula, third, perimeter of a circle, but in circle we don't write perimeter, we write perimeter equal to its circumference. तो और we write, हम लोग सर्कल में पेरीमीटर की जगह सरकमफ्रेंस लिखते हैं, तो मैं यहाँ इसको सरकमफ्रेंस भी कर ले रहा हूँ और लगा दिया, या पेरीमीटर लिखे या सरकमफ्रेंस. of a circle of a circle is equal to 2 pi r, 2 pi r, and unit always comes as unit. इसकी यूनिट ही रहेगी यूनिट में 2 pi r, where pi is where pi equal 22 by 7 or 3.14, and this value is not an exact value, it is a approximate value. ये exact value नहीं है, ये लगभग मान है, approximate value है 22 by 7 और 3.14, और ये 3.14 मैं यहाँ लिख देता हूँ, यहाँ दिख नहीं रहा है, थोड़ा सा इसको और 3.14. Okay, this value 22 by 7, the value of pi equal 22 by 7 or 3.14. And now next formula, area of a circle is equal to pi r square. Pi already we write the value of the pi is 22 by 7 3 by pi r square, and the unit always be in square unit. R is the radius of the circle. You already know R is the radius of circle. D for diameter. Diameter is always twice of the radius. ये radius यहाँ है, ये radius से दोनों को ऐड करेंगे, R plus R 2R होगा. That means diameter equal to twice of the radius. तो अगर आपको radius दे रखा है तो diameter निकाल सकते हैं फाइंड, और अगर diameter दिया है तो आप रेडियस फाइंड कर सकते हैं. दैट मीन्स रेडियस ऑलवेज बी हाफ ऑफ द डायमीटर. रेडियस हमेशा डायमीटर के हाफ होती है. एंड नेक्स्ट माय सेमी सर्किल. सेमी सर्किल हम करते हैं तो इसी सर्किल को हम सेमी सर्किल का आप लोगों ने नाम शायद सुना होगा. हेलो हेलो.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
सेमी
Yes,
सर्किल का नाम
sir.
सुन रहे हो?
Yes, sir.
सेमी मीन्स हाफ.
The same means half.
द डायम हाफ कैसे कहेंगे? द डायमीटर कन्वर्ट द सर्किल इनटू टू इक्वल पार्ट्स. डायमीटर सर्किल का दो बराबर भागों में बांट देता है. एंड जो दोनों में से जो
तो गाइस स्वागत है आपको एक और न्यू गेम प्ले के.
अरे मिस्टर कौन बोल रहा है? डरा कहीं का. संजय कुशवाहा. कौन है ये? संजना कुशवाहा.
Sir, Jay Tahir.
उसको बोलो हमारे पेरेंट्स से बात करवाए. पढ़ना नहीं है.
सर है
म्यूट
ही
करिए.
नहीं, निकल
बोलिए
गया.
उसको. काव्या सिंह
भाग
म्यूट योर
गया.
माइक्स. म्यूट योर माइक्स ऑफ योर मोबाइल.
भाग गया.
अनुभव खरवार म्यूट करिए. काव्या सिंह एंड आशीष यादव म्यूट योर माइक्स. बेवकूफ कहीं के. पढ़ना लिखना नहीं है. Now, semicircle. That means the diameter cut the circle into two equal parts, and each part it's the semicircle. Okay. तो now इसी सर्कल को हम सेमी सर्कल बना रहे हैं. तो ये देखिए हम ये काट दे रहे हैं इस डायमीटर से और ये देखिए आपका सेमी सर्कल बन गया. And that is my semicircle. This is my semicircle. And that is the diameter. ये diameter है, ये radius है. तो now perimeter of 15. Perimeter of perimeter को हम circumference बोलेंगे. Perimeter of semicircle is equal to, this is perimeter is circumference of the circle is 2 pi r, because this is the half of the circle. We divide it by 2. If you divide the two, these two are cancelled to each other. That means it comes pi r. But this pi r is only a to this b, this distance. But this diameter is also included in the perimeter. Therefore, pi r plus d, and d is the diameter. D is the diameter of this semicircle, and the unit always comes as an unit. That means perimeter or a circumference of the semicircle is equal to pi r plus d. And the sixth last area of a semicircle is equal to, we divided the area ये होता है अंदर का जितना पार्ट होता है. तो हम लोग को एरिया निकालना है. तो एरिया सर्किल का होता है पाई आर स्क्वायर. इसमें 2 का डिवाइड करेंगे बिकॉज इट इज द हाफ पार्ट. तो पाई स्क्वायर बाय 2 divided by 2, and the unit always comes as an square unit. That this is the area of semicircle, and these are the formula we are used in this chapter. Hello. Now these are the 16 formulas today I will discussing you, and all of you, these formula you have write in your homework copies. These formulas you have
Yes, sir.
write in and learn all the formulas. Tomorrow,
सर थोड़ा सर नीचे कर लीजिए.
सर नीचे कर लें,
Yes.
Yes, sir.
बिल्कुल झुक जाएं.
सर हो गया.
हो गया ना?
सर हो
यस
गया
सर, हो गया।
अब मेरी बात
सर
सुनो.
लास्ट वाला फॉर्मूला क्या है?
सर हो
सर
गया।
आपने क्या बोला था एक बार फिर से बोलिए ना।
area of semicircle is equal to pi r square by 2
पाई आर स्क्वायर 2 स्क्वायर यूनिट।
upon 2 upon 2. उसका हाफ
सर ये
करेंगे.
याद करना है।
याद नहीं करना तो
हाँ।
क्या करोगे बताओ
सर
आपको?
सर आप कल पूछेंगे।
सर कल सुनिएगा.
हाँ कल
Yes, sir.
सुनेंगे. सुनने के लिए तो tomorrow your homework is you write all the formulas with the help of figure बनाएंगे और सबको लिखेंगे and learn all the formulas. And tomorrow
Okay, sir.
I coming in the class, so first we asking the formulas and then after we start the chapter. Okay? Hello?
ओके सर।
Yes, sir.
So your tomorrow homework. Hello?
Bye, sir.
Yes, sir.
Bye, sir.
तो इधर आइए सर. ये लिखा है. दिख रहा है ना? रोहित ने कौन था? कैसे पता लगेगा वो नंबर? चलिए. Okay. So today I will discussing these points and tomorrow we start the chapter. I hope all of you learned these formulas. Okay. So can I end this?
Thank you, sir.
Okay. I end this meeting.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
sir.
Bye,
Bye,
sir.
sir.